What's up, everybody? Bear with BearIndependent.com. Today we're talking about BearFAKs and Bear Minimums, tactical trauma medicine, blowout kits, all the good things. TCCC, everything you need, nothing you don't. Let's get started. So the BearFAKs and Bear Minimums now come in a wide variety of luxurious colors, including multicam. Yes, that's right, multicam. I had to cut off one of my fingers and sell one of my children to get the rights to get this for y'all, but I got it. Coyote tan, black, OD green, gray, and fire engine red with reflective striping. Isn't that cool? Look at those colors. Fabulous. We're going to go over some of the changes, some of the differences between the Gen 1 and the Gen 2, and then we're going to jump into what's in the kits. But those are the colors you can get them in. Multicam, coyote tan, black, OD green, gray, and red with reflective. And I love this gray. Super, super cool. While we're at it, look at the quality on this. This is handmade in the United States by a human being, Sojourn Gear, sojourngear.com right there. These are literally made to order by hand, and I literally take these hands and take this stuff and package it in here and then send it to you. Bing! Okay, so this was the Gen 1 BearFAK. Had a buckle, a gather at the top with a drawstring, right? And then you would pull this out. This portion stays on your kit, and then in here you grab this handle, pull it out, and then you've got your kit inside of here, ready to go. Good kit, good kit. And it tied on the back, the MOLLE tied on the back. That was our Gen 1. And after lots of feedback from the field, these kits have saved 5 lives in the last 2 weeks. How cool is that? Gen 1, this is the Gen 2. We went to a clamshell style. This is tactile. There's a piece of pipe in here actually that you can feel. Even with a gloved hand, you can grab it. No buckle, pull, okay? Grab handle, watch how easily this comes out. That comes out, fixed that problem. Different insert, but while we're here, snaps on the back. Like your traditional MOLLE, we've got snaps on the back. Again, handmade in America by Brother Cody at Sojourn Gear. Check that out. And then the improved insert. Pull, shazam, there's your stuff laid out, ready to go. And this has in it, this has a Gen 7 cat tourniquet, shears, a decompression needle, a 6-inch trauma dressing, compressed gauze, which is down here underneath of this thingy, compressed gauze, 4x4s, quantity 2, rolled gauze, duct tape, which is in here as well. Oh, I'm sorry, it's right here. Duct tape, a pair of nitrile gloves, which is right here, quick clot sponge right here, chest seals, full size, high fin chest seals, a nasal pharyngeal airway, 28 gauge, an emergency blanket, which is right here, 2x2 gauze, a triangle bandage right here, medical tape, and disinfectant wipes, and 5x9 gauze as well. The 5x9s are inside of here. Bam, ready to go. And the whole idea behind this is the 2 things that I'm gonna want immediately, my tourniquet and my trauma dressing, are right there, ready to go in this new and improved insert on the Gen 2 BearFAK. So we have a new outer pouch right here, the clamshell style, with the snaps on the back, with no buckle, no friction, comes right out, and then a new insert as well on the Gen 2 BearFAK. And that is again available in coyote tan, black, OD green, gray, multicam, and fire engine red with reflective striping. BearFAK. Okay, and the Gen 2 Bare Minimum kit. This is everything you need and nothing you don't. for a blowout kit. This is for dealing with TCCC, Tactical Combat Casualty Care, gunshot wounds, tension pneumothorax, so forth and so on. This is the original Gen 1 pouch, clamshell style, which was copied on the bare minimum. Ties in the back. Pop this open, no tactile. This was the Gen 1, and then the insert with a drawstring closure on the insert. That's the Gen 1. Good kit, very good kit, designed by myself. Gen 2, designed by myself with lots of improvement from the industry and the end user, and I love it. Same tactile piece of pipe in here. You can feel it even with a pair of gloves on. Grab, pull, that comes open. This portion, the outer portion, stays on your kit, your gun belt, your plate carrier, your chest rig, your whatever you have. Grab, pull, this comes right out. New and improved, we've got a zipper here, red, you can see it, it's high visibility, and this has all of our guts in it. What is in here? Well, let's just go through it. And the way I would use this is I would just reach in here and pull and get all this stuff out. Okay, so we have a set of shears. These are good shears. All of our stuff is top-notch North American Rescue. North American Rescue, rubber impregnated on the inside, O2 bottle opening right here. North American Rescue shears. A 6-inch emergency trauma dressing, North American Rescue. Medical tape. Pair of nitrile gloves. 2 5x9s. Nasal pharyngeal airway. Let's make this look pretty. Full high-fin chest seals, 2 of them. Decompression needle. Disinfectant wipes. And a Gen 7, legit Gen 7 cat tourniquet. Okay, that's the bare minimum. Everything you need, nothing you don't. Predominantly designed to treat a gunshot wound. That's what it's for. It's a blowout kit. Super proud of this kit. Again, made in America by Americans. And this will have, it will have the snaps on the back. And yeah, man, these kits are actively saving lives right now. Super cool. Okay, guys, and then lastly, this is a new addition to the family. This is the active shooter kit, or the red kit, and these are purpose built for dealing with active shooters, which unfortunately is a reality in today's day and age. So for schools, for churches, for businesses, for any place where large groups of people gather and make a target out of themselves, this is what this kit is purpose designed for. So let me show you what we got. We've got a Gen 7 cat tourniquet and a SWAT T tourniquet. Why? Because these work well on children and these do not. So Gen 7 cat and a SWAT T, 6-inch emergency trauma dressing, compressed gauze for wound packing, emergency blanket, 2 5x9 gauze pads, antiseptic wipes, 28 gauge nasal pharyngeal airway, decompression needle, 2 high-fin chest seals, tape, shears, gloves, and quick clot. Quick clot, there we go. So, and these will be shipping likely with the commercial Z-fold gauze as the quick clot sponges are going bye-bye. So those will be shipping with the Z-fold, commercial Z-fold quick clot. But that's there just to show you what we're dealing with here. All the pricing and availability for all of this is available at adventurefrontier.com, and that is this red kit, and we will likely make it available in all the other colors as well, but it is this red kit, and this is the active shooter kit, purpose designed for dealing with the unfortunate threats today of an active shooter scenario. And this has the same piping in here, tactile, same pouch. There will be snaps on these, and we have a bracket. This bracket is designed to mount this to the wall so that you can have these by the door, by your fire extinguisher, wherever you need them, hanging up on the wall, ready to go. Okay guys, so that's the updated Gen 2 BearFAK, Bare Minimum, and the brand new active shooter kit. You can get all these at bearindependent.com. Click the shop tab or go to adventurefrontier.com, and these should be right on the homepage of adventurefrontier.com. So I really want to thank you guys for supporting what we do here. We are growing this business, and we're bringing these kits to you at the best prices we possibly can. I make a $20 bill on each kit before I pack them, before I drive them to the post office, before I send them to you. My before cost is I make 20 bucks on the deal. I don't even know what it is after the fact. I'm just doing my best to put together the best kits I can for y'all, and they are literally saving lives, and I am humbled and amazed by it. So here it is, the Gen 2. Thank you for everybody for the feedback. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for buying the Gen 1s, and yeah, super proud of these kits. Shalom.